Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install Windscribe VPN on Kali Linux in a clear step-by-step way. Before we begin, if you want a faster and more secure VPN, I recommend trying NordVPN. It works better on Linux and gives stronger privacy. Use the link in the description to get it at a great price. Now let us start the installation. First, open your browser. You can use any browser you like. In the search bar, type windscribe.com and press enter. When the website opens, go to the download section. Scroll and look for the Linux download page. We will install the GUI version because it is simple and easy to use. On the Linux page, select the package that matches your system. In most cases, you will choose the Ubuntu or Debian package because Kali Linux is based on Debian. Click on the download button for the GUI package. Your browser will start downloading a .deb file. If your browser asks you to keep the file, click on Keep. Wait until the download finishes. Once the file is downloaded, open your file manager and go to your Downloads folder. You should see the windscribe.deb file there. Now we need to install it using the terminal. Open the terminal and first get root permissions by typing sudo su and enter your password. After you become root, type cd downloads to go inside the Downloads folder. Now you will install the file using the dpkg command. Type dpkg --install and then type the exact name of the windscribe.db file. Press enter. The system will now install the Windscribe GUI on your Kali Linux. Wait for the process to finish. If you do not see any errors, then the installation is complete. To confirm that it is installed, go to the application search bar and type Windscribe. You should see the Windscribe icon appear. Click on it to open the app. When it starts, it will ask you to log in with your Windscribe username and password. Enter your details and the app will connect normally. After that, you can start using Windscribe on your system. This is the simple way to install Windscribe VPN on Kali Linux. Before we end the video, I want to remind you again that if you want a stronger VPN with faster speeds and better security features, you should try NordVPN. It works very well on Linux systems. Use the link in the description to try it at a great price.